Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Country of origin: Taiwan. Package height: 0.75. Package length: 10.75. Package width: 4.0. The number 3 on the list is: after researching on different forums and after checking the quality, we come to this point. This product comes with multiple amazing results. So if you want to buy this product, it is money saving. We will always recommend you to buy this product. We are going to give 5 stars to this amazing product. The quality and price chart is amazing. You are getting a premium product in affordable price. On Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. High vacuum spring operated desoldering pump removes solder from printed circuit boards. Teflon, PTFE, non-stick coating tip and cushion shock reduction minimize board damage. Corrosion resistant spring and insulated vacuum pulse provide long life. Regulated return of 1 millisecond plus or 30% and uniform reset pressure of 11 inch-pounds plus or 20%. Corrosion resistant plastic body is 13 inches long. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. For all your DIY maker desoldering needs. Anti-static with replaceable nylon tip and durable aluminum housing. Best for removing solder from PCB through hole solder joints. Ideal for use in labs, service shops, schools, STEM, STEAM, home and industry. Before there was the maker movement, there was Elenco and learn by doing. Elenco strives for quality with value to make their products available for everyone.